Okay, now before we sign off from this project, let me quickly discuss a little something about monitoring your app through logs. When we built this app, we incorporated a logging mechanism using Winston and Morgan. Once your app is running on Heroku, if you need to check the logs, you can log in using the Heroku tool belt and type Heroku logs on the console. This will fetch the console logs that your app would be producing, and this contains an HTTP request log, thanks to Morgan, and other specific errors and messages that Winston produces. But this is not very convenient. Instead, we'll add a third-party log monitoring system called Papertrail. So let's head back into our dashboard, and I'll type the word paper in the add-ons search box, and this will bring up the Papertrail add-on service. Let's click and provision ourselves a free Chalklad plan like so. This rapidly adds the Papertrail third-party log monitoring service to your app. To use, simply click on this link, and this opens up Papertrail like so. The first time you open up, you might not immediately see any logs. So let's access our app in the browser, since this would cause HTTP requests to at least get logged to the console because of Morgan. Now, if you go back to Papertrail, you can see your logs neatly streaming in this UI. Isn't this super cool? You can just log into Papertrail now, and this is where all your console logs would be available live and streaming all the time. But Papertrail is much more than just a streaming log sheet. You can go into the alerts section and configure event-specific alerts to trigger emails, text messages, etc. So for instance, I'll go into events and it'll ask me to set up a mail ID where I can get summaries automatically when errors are observed in the log. I can also search by tag name. For instance, to get all errors, we can type errors in double quotes like this, and this will filter out all errors for us. Similarly, all messages marked info can be filtered out like so. I can also save a search. So for instance, for errors, I'll type the word error in double quotes, and I'll save this search by clicking on the save search button like so. I'll give a name to this filter. So let's call it error. And once I save this, Papertrail gives me a ton of actionable options to choose from. So when it observes an error in this case, it can email you about it, or it can use services to send you a text message on your phone, run graph and metric services, and so much more. I'll select email here, and in the options, I'll set the frequency as every 1 hour, and I'll type in a recipient email ID like so. Now that this alert is created, whenever an error is observed in the log, Papertrail will send email alerts to the given mail ID at a frequency of 1 email every hour till the error keeps reoccurring. The dashboard here gives you a summary. While clicking on these links, auto filters all messages of this type. I'm sure you can appreciate how simple Papertrail is, all the while being so powerful as well. Monitoring your app using Papertrail is super simple and very effective.